Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, before we start, what is our last topic on our previous lesson?
Perpendicular lines.
Very good. So, do you have any question about our previous lesson?
None, sir.
Okay. If there is no more question, then let us go to our first activity before we proceed to our main topic.
Yes, sir.
This is called You Are the Key. Why You Are the Key? Because you need to answer the questions that will flash on the screen. The answer is inside of our box. Our box is our board. Okay? You are going to pick the answers that will be the key on the question to unlock the next question. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So the answers are inside of our board or our box. So you need to pick your answer to unlock the next question. That's why it is called You Are the Key.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 1.
Two
Pakibasa.
angles are if they have the same measure.
So what is that?
Congruent.
Is it congruent?
Yes, sir.
Let us check. So number 1 is congruent. So your answer is correct. So you have 1 point. Number 2.
Two angles are if the sum of their measures is 90 degree.
So what is that angles?
Complementary.
Is it complementary? Yes, it is complementary. So number 2 is check. So number 3.
Two angles are
Blank.
blank if the sum of their measure is 180.
So what is the angle?
Supplementary.
Yes, because it measures 180 degree. So that is supplementary
Angle.
angle. So number 4.
If two angles intersect
And 4.
and form a right angle, they are blank.
So ano yung sagot?
Perpendicular.
So it is
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular is the answer. Okay, next.
Two lines are blank if they are coplanar and they meet at a common point.
So what is that line?
Intersection.
Intersection.
Intersecting.
Intersecting. Very good. Your answer is correct. So all of the answers are correct based on the questions that we have flashed on the screen. So, are there any more questions about our previous lesson?
Answer.
Okay, if there is no more question, then let us go to our topic for today. So, your points will be added on your activity later on. So, keep that on your own and it will be added on your activity. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, what can you observe from the figures? Anong naobserbahan mo sa figure 1?
Sir, magkalayo.
Magkalayo. Sa figure 2,
Magkalayo.
hindi sila magkalayo. Kasi hindi sila. Dito,
Magkadikit.
nag-intersect sila. Right?
Magkasalubong.
Nagkasalubong sila. Very good. So, ang tawag natin dito, so, two lines that do not meet. Ang tawag dyan ay
Parallel lines.
parallel lines. So, what is parallel lines? So, saan mo siya nakikita sa ating real life?
Ito.
Yung dalawang base ng ating table, right?
Yes, sir.
Saan pa?
Upuan.
Sa mga upuan. So, what is parallel lines in our geometry?
Yes, sir.
Pakibasa nga.
Parallel lines are coplanar lines that do not intersect.
Very good. Thank you, Pin. So, pwede ko na bang
Yes,
bura
sir.
ito? Okay. So, sabi niya, parallel lines are coplanar coplanar lines that do not intersect. So, all lines na hindi nag-meet, ibig sabihin nun, hindi sila, wala silang intersection.
Yes, sir.
Walang point na nabubuo. So, that is not parallel lines. Pag parallel lines, yung hindi nagkakasulubong. Just like our example a while ago, yung dalawang poste ng table sa upuan. Saan mo nakikita to?
Sa daanan.
Sa daan, di ba?
Yes, sir.
The road is an example of parallel lines. So, do you have any question about parallel
None,
lines?
sir.
Okay. So, ano namang napapansin mo dito? Nag-intersects yung mga lines. So, that lines is what we call transversals. So, ano nga bang transversal? Pakibasa nga.
A transversal is a line intersecting two or more coplanar lines and different points.
At different points. So, paano naman si transversal? Sabi niya, a transversal is a line intersecting two or more coplanar lines at different points. Halimbawa, we have two lines. Our transversal is the line that intersect two or more coplanar lines, ito sila, at different points. So, may nabuo siyang points. Halimbawa, this is point A, this is point B. So, our transversal is this line. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because it intersects two coplanar lines. So, parallel lines. Let us go back to our parallel lines. Burahin ko na to, okay?
Yes, sir.
Let us go back to our parallel lines. Line is a parallel to line AB, or in symbol, line AB, ay line A is parallel to line B. So, yung symbol natin for parallel is ito. Ibig sabihin niyan, halimbawa, our figure, si line A daw ay parallel kay line
B.
Okay, can you follow?
Yes, sir.
Sa next figure naman natin, si AB, line AB ay parallel kay line
DA.
ano to? Line
CB.
CD. So we can write our parallel lines through symbol. So ito yung symbol natin for parallel lines. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, dito, ano yung parallel lines natin?
Sir, yung sir, yung AC at yung ABD.
C, AC,
and BD.
is parallel to
BD.
D. Ano pa?
CAB parallel kay
AB, parallel kay
CD.
CD. Okay? So,
Yes, sir.
can you follow? Maliwanag ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, here is the answer. Si AB ay parallel kay CD and AC is parallel to BD. Next. So, dito, anong napapansin mo? Yung line. Anong napapansin mo?
Sir, hindi sila magkadikit.
Hindi sila magkadikit. So, that is opposite to
Tumagos.
parallel. Tumagos siya. So, that is called skew
lines.
So, ano nga ba si skew lines? Can you read it, Queen?
Skew lines are non-coplanar lines that do not intersect and are not parallel.
Thank you, Queen. So, purahin ko na to. So, sabi niya, skew lines are non-coplanar lines that do not intersect and not parallel. Ibig sabihin, kabaliktaran siya ni parallel. Kung si parallel do not intersect and coplanar, si skew lines hindi sa coplanar, non-coplanar siya, and do not intersect. Halimbawa, our example, we have a four-figured object. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. And there is a line na tumagos sa ating coplanar. Let's say this is line E. So, this is an example of skew lines. Hindi sila nag-intersect, at the same time, they are not parallel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Dito naman, what can you observe on our figure?
Sir, intersect.
They intersect.
Yes, sir.
So, it is a transversal. So, ano yung transversal natin dito? Si
AB.
AB. So, ano ulit si transversal?
A transversal is a line intersect two or more coplanar lines at different points.
So, yung sabi mo kanina, yung transversal natin is si AB. Because it intersect two lines. So, it create points at our given lines.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, yan. Nag-create siya ng dalawang points. Si point dito at line CD and another point at line PF.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
None, sir.
Okay. So, ito, on our given figure, is it parallel?
None, sir. I know, sir.
Is it skew lines?
No, sir.
Yes, very good. Is it transversal?
No, sir.
Very good. So, there is no parallel
Lines.
at the same time, there is no skew lines,
Two lines.
and there is no transversal. So, maliwanag ang topic natin.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, if there is no question, let us have an activity. It is guessing a word. Pakibasa nga yung direction.
Pictures will flash on the screen and you are just going to defeat the pictures to its correct word. If it is parallel, skew, or it show travels
Transversal.
transversal. Recite and write your tags in the same time.
Very good. So, you are going to write your answer on your paper. And then, after that, if you have finalized your answer, you are going to recite at the same time raise your
And
tags, your answer. Is that clear?
yes, sir.
Okay, so can we start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First picture.
Sir.
3, 2, 1, go.
Parallel.
Is it parallel? Let us check. It is parallel. So, check your answer. So, paano siya naging parallel?
Sir,
Kasi
kasi
hindi sila
so.
direct. It's just straight line that do not meet. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next. Number 2. 3, 2, 1, go.
Sir, skew.
Is it skew? Yes, it is correct. It's because they do not meet and it is not parallel. Next. What is your answer?
Transversal.
It is transversal because yung barbecue natusok. Meaning to
Yes, sir.
say, it creates 2 or more points.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's why it is a transversal.
Versal.
So your answer is correct. Next. What is your answer?
Sir, parallel.
It is a parallel. Very good. Next. What is your answer?
Sir, skew.
Very good. Skew because it do not meet or do not intersect at the same time. It is not a parallel.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
do you have any question about our topic?
None, sir.
Okay, so is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If there is no more question, then bring out one whole sheet of paper for your short quiz. So, kopyahin mo na to. Kopyahin ng ating figure. So, we have a cube figure. Ito siya. Kopyahin mo na siya. So, madali lang gumawa. Dalawang square lang, then connect the dots. This is our A, E, R, M, K, A, I, D. Finish?
None, sir.
Copy all the letters.
Tutso, sir.
Okay, for your given task, direction, complete the statement. Sabi niya, si segment ME is parallel to blank. Segment RT is parallel to blank. Segment KT is parallel to blank. Segment AD is parallel to blank. IK, and blank are skew lines. And AD and blank are skew lines. And the last is segment RM, and blank are skew lines. So if there is no more question, then you can start now. So madali lang ba siya?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us check. So, number 1. So, what is parallel to segment ME?
Sir, KI.
ME. So, the answer is
KI.
KI. Correct. Number 2. What is parallel to RT?
MK
RT.
MK or
Line MK.
line MK or line AD.
MK or line or segment AD.
D.
Very good. How about number 3? What is the answer? KT. Parallel kay
Line MR or line DI.
segment MR
Or line DI.
EI. It is segment, not line, okay?
Yes, sir.
Check. Number 4. Anong parallel kay segment AD? Nasaan si AD? AD. Oh.
Segment AD.
Oh. Yes, AD. What is the answer?
AI or
EI.
EI or RT. Line RT.
Segment
RT.
RT. Very good. Check. Number 5. What is skew line to segment IK?
Sir, segment AE.
Ito si IK, right?
Yes, sir.
So, for us to determine if AE is correct, hindi sila coplanar, right?
Yes, sir.
They are, is IK intersect AE?
No, sir.
No, because they are skew lines. So, AE is correct.
Yes, sir.
How about number 6?
Segment AD and blank are skew lines.
What is the answer?
IK, segment IK.
Answer si AD. Ito si AD.
Yes, sir.
Segment
IK.
IK. Very good. So, segment IK is correct. Number 7.
Segment RM and blank are skew lines.
What is the answer?
Sir, DT, segment DT.
Saan ba si RM? Ito si RM. So, the answer is
Segment DT.
DT. Very good. So, you have answered our given ties correct.
Yes, sir.
So, madali lang siya.
Yes, sir.
So, do you have any more question about our lesson for today?
None, sir.
Okay. So, if there is no more question, then copy your assignment. And if you have finished to copy the assignment, then let us call it a day. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.